Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Trust Wallet app on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open your app, you will be provided with two options. Just simply tap on create new wallet. Once you click on it, now you need to create a passcode so that no one can steal your Trust Wallet account. Create it according to your preference. Once you create your passcode, just simply click on create. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna create an account on your Trust Wallet app using iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.